Guess we gotta go there. Came through there, right? I'm going this way. No. Came through here. I'm going through that door over there. Must explore the seismic activity. Chozo Ruins. Oh, this is where this is where I went last. My last playthrough, where I played for like an hour. I get my rockets in here. What the heck? I have to get all my weapons back. Dude, oh yeah, I got the lock-on thing, right? Really?
Where are those?
Those are irritating. Chozo beetles, I guess. I don't know. I haven't been able to get up there yet. Oh, you can actually see what it looks like. It was just a blurry purple blotch in my last playthrough.
Like the blob.
Like the blob. I hear them. I don't think I've gone down here yet. Oh, it's so dark in here. No, not these guys again. Ew. Eyeballs. Actually, these are a little bit easier to hit with a gyroscope. What? He comes back? What the? You take too long. Go! Run! What is this? Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Full energy. What is it?
Take it back.
Later. Rockets. Oh, these are the bee things. And they're really irritating. I don't know what you're doing, Jasmine. Sure. Just give me a second. No volume though, because I'm recording right now, so. My video game is more important than your video game. Just kidding. Where am I supposed to go? Over here? Okay, turn it down. A shoots. I don't know if I like the A better or the trigger. What is this? Oh, save spot. Yeah. Yeah. I have been replenished. Had a laser shower.
Go, go.
Okay. Oh, I must have to go down there, right? Is that where I came from? I don't... Eyeballs. I need to check the map. Oh, how do I check the map? How do I just want to zoom out. There we go. No, I gotta go back. I think I gotta go up there, right? So I went, did I go in here? Oh gosh, I can't remember. This is the save spot, okay. And then I gotta go over there. Because this place is unexplored. Which one's the map? Oh gosh. Yeah, I haven't gone this way yet. Oh my gosh, look at them all. The bugs. They're all just waiting for me over there. You got me anyway? What is that? Just a regular door. I feel like I'm missing something. Okay. Keep going forward. Press on. Don't give up. This is new, right? Oh, what? Wait. Oh, it's really loud, Jeff. Ah! Bees! Get out of here, man. Oh, I haven't went across there yet. Jump. Jump. Jump.
Everybody jump.
Jump. What is that? You got like, what do you call those things? Glow bugs. A red. I don't know what that does. Energy, I think it refilled my energy. Warning. What's the warning? Oh, I made it. I think this is gonna be my rockets. If I remember correctly. Yeah. There it is. Here's the boss. Oh, this boss sucks, man. Just with all the bugs. Oh. I think it took me like 2 hours just to get all the bugs. Just gotta keep shooting in the middle.
Is this the boss?
Yeah. A really irritating one. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm just pushing my homing lock on thing. Ugh. I don't get it. Ugh. Ah, come on. Oh, this boss sucks. Oh, my hand hurts. Come on. I'm gonna die. I have enough energy. I don't know if I'm doing this right. I just gotta like keep shooting until I can lock onto that stupid thing. How do you catch it? There we go. Ugh. No way, that was it? Man, I sat there firing for like 8 minutes last time. Look. Got my power back. Down, 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 down. I don't know how the music goes yet. Press R to fire and ZR A to switch back. Or A. Missiles can destroy blast shields on doors. Ugh. We've got the power. You can't open the door with that weapon. What about this weapon? How did they say to do it again? R. R, okay. Ooh. Energy tank acquired. Maximum energy capacity increased by 100. Now you're playing with power. Well, we got a lot of these. Oh, I don't have the ball. I gotta remember to come back here if I get the ball thing. When I get the ball.